Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the control settings on the Cuphead game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cuphead game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, just go into the options page. From here, you can go into controls, and now this will show you all of the controls that are assigned for your game. You can choose player 1 or player 2, and in order to change your controls, you can go into the buttons that have already been assigned. If you wish to change any button, just press the enter button after selecting the action and now choose the replace option. Once you are prompted, you can press the new key that you wish to set, and you can follow this step to redefine all of your desired buttons. You can also assign a controller if you wish by choosing the assign controller option. Once you have made changes to all of your desired controls, press the done button, and now your changes have been saved. You can then start to enjoy your game with your customized settings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the control settings on the Cuphead game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.